Welcome to our channel. Ever wondered how some people make a full-time income online without ever holding a product? Today, we dive into the world of affiliate marketing and essential SEO techniques that can skyrocket your sales. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's an exciting way to generate passive income, and the best part, you can start with little to no investment. Let's look at some top affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Each offers unique products and commission structures. For instance, Amazon's commissions can range from 1% to 10%, while ClickBank can offer as much as 75% on digital products. Market trends show that the e-commerce sector is expected to grow significantly. In 2022, affiliate marketing spending reached $8 billion, indicating a booming opportunity for marketers. To succeed in affiliate marketing, focus on SEO strategies. Use keyword research tools to find what your audience is searching for and optimize your content accordingly. Remember, high-quality content drives organic traffic. Consider the case of Pat Flynn, who earns over $100,000 a month through affiliate marketing. His success came from transparency and providing value to his audience. What could you learn from his journey? In conclusion, affiliate marketing presents a tremendous opportunity. By leveraging SEO techniques and staying updated on market trends, you can build a successful online business. Are you ready to take the plunge?